Hello everyone. A warm welcome to all. I am Muskan Miri presenting today's topic of discussion, classification of organism. I will be giving special thank to Nilma ma'am for giving me such an innovative and interesting learning project. Coming to the topic, have you ever wondered how the millions of organisms would be actually classified? This is the question arised many times in my mind. By end of this presentation, you will be getting an overall idea how the organisms are actually classified. So let's get started. It is a great thing to notice something differently. The first attempt of classification was done by Aristotle. He divided organisms on the basis of habit. He divided it into two categories, plants and animals. He divided plants into three terms, herbs, shrubs and trees. And he divided animals into two categories, anima and inanima. Anima includes the animals with RBCs, for example, jellyfish and insects. And inanima includes all the animals without RBCs, for example, mammals. And the two kingdom classification of system was done by Linnaeus. He classified organisms on the two categories, Plantae and Animalae. Plantae includes all the plants and Animalae kingdom includes all the animals. He classified organisms on the basis of some criteria, cell wall and contractile system, locomotion, mode of nutrition and response to external stimuli are the criteria. However, he did not clarify about their features. This resulted as the drawbacks of the Linnaeus classification. He had not differentiated between unicellular and multicellular, autotrophic and heterotrophic, prokaryotes and eukaryotes. After this, Haeckel gave a three-kingdom classification system. He divided organisms into three categories, Plantae, Animalae and Protista. Plantae includes all the plants and Animalae includes all the animals, and Protista includes all the animals, which made confusion between Plantae and Animalia. But by noticing it, Copeland proposed four kingdom of classification. Copeland divided organisms into four categories, Plantae, Animalae, Protista and Monera. Monera includes unicellular prokaryotes. It is earlier known as Mycota. After this, in 1969, R.H. Whitaker gave five kingdom of classification. He said there is five kingdom which are evolving from each other. Monera is the oldest category of organisms, and Protista evolved from Monera. Some Protistans evolved into fungi, some of Animalia and some to Plantae. He classified five kingdom of classification on some of the criteria. The cell type, cell wall, nuclear membrane, body organization and mode of nutrition are the basic criteria. So that's all for today. Thank you for my presentation. Hope you all be getting some ideas about classification of organisms. Thank you. Have a good day. Bye.